You may have already upgraded your LinkedIn profile, but now what? You're showing up in searches, people are connecting to you, but you want to use LinkedIn to find new clients and source new business. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At workshop number 4 in my LinkedIn for Business series, I will show you how to use the power of LinkedIn to quickly identify decision makers and find new business in your target companies. At this workshop, you'll learn what social selling is and why you need it, how social sellers are outselling their competitors by almost 80%, how to quickly identify and connect with any decision maker at any target client, how to leverage the power of LinkedIn groups to source new business, the daily, weekly, and monthly activities you need to do to source new business using LinkedIn. To learn more, please contact me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.